All right, welcome back to the bee yard. Gonna check a few things today. Try a new version of opening up my box. Oh, that worked really nice. I usually bang on it real hard, and the girls don't really like that very much, I don't think. So this is a hive we split into. I have a feeder on here. I have a dying smoker. There we go. So we're gonna see how this one is doing. Oh, we got some girls on here. They've taken the feed. Let's see if they built this out the way we want them to. All right, beetle. Might have to add some murder traps today. Yeah, you're building a wonky comb. Damn, I hate when you girls do this. I don't like the wonky comb. So we're gonna do a little trick on this and see what happens. Big Daddy Longlegs. I know you girls worked hard on this, but we can't have wonky comb. So, sorry what I did with that one. In my pocket, I've got some beeswax. We're going to take it, use the crayon method. Do this not right on top of them. Got another frame here. I kind of did the same thing. Let's see if this encourages them to build unwonky comb. And we'll know next time if they built a nice, good comb on here. And next time's going to be in about 2.5 weeks due to some activities and work commitments. So, let's see if this works any for these girls. They haven't really drawn out as much.